friends, this is Miss Sapna and thank you for joining Big Ideas for Little Learners. Today we are going to make our own puzzles. But for that, we need to practice our numbers. Are you ready to recognize with me the numbers? Let me see if you know this number. This is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here comes 6. Now I am going to mix them all together and you have to tell me what number will come after. Did I put the right sequence? 1, 3, 2, 6, 4, 5? You tell me what comes after 1. Does 3 come after 1? 2 comes after 1, right? 1, 2, and then what comes? 3. What comes after 3? Is it 6 or 4? There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then? Is it 6 or 5? You're right. It's 5 and then 6. So we need to practice sequencing our numbers. What comes after? So what comes after 1? 2. What comes after 2? 3. What comes after 3? 4. What comes after 4? 5. What comes after 5? 6. So what I have done is, now I have taken a picture. Can you think of what this picture is about? Yes, it's our planet Earth. Remember, next week we are going to celebrate our Earth Day. So I printed this picture and now what we are going to practice is we are going to change this into our puzzle. Are you ready? So for this, we'll need, what is this? A ruler and a Sharpie. So now what I'm going to do is we are going to practice how to draw straight lines. So look, I'm going to draw some line. Let me put another sheet of paper so that it does not bleed. Okay, so I'm going to put it straight here and I'm going to put this down so it does not move, and I'm going to draw a straight line. And now I'm going to use this as my starting point and then put this here again. See, I'm going to line this with the black and then I'm going to draw another line. 2 and then another one and then another one. I have to make it straight. And here comes my last line. Wow. So I drew straight lines and divided this picture into, let's see how many. Let me write the numbers. 1, we are going to practice writing our numbers. And here comes 2. If you cannot write your numbers, you can ask a grown-up to dot it for you so you can practice writing your numbers. 3. Here comes 4, 5, and 6. Now we have put this number so it's easy for us to put the puzzle back together. Okay, are you ready to cut? Now we'll need the scissors. How do we use a scissor? Thumb, fingers, and you open, close, open, close. So now I'm going to go straight on the black line that I have drawn from the marker. So I'm going to cut them on the, use my scissors on the straight lines. Here 2. Here comes. Now this will help recognizing your numbers And remembering the sequence will help you put the puzzle back together. See, we are cutting our picture, so we will not know which will come first, but because of the numbers, we'll be able to put the puzzle together. See, now I'm going to mix all these pieces, just like when you open the puzzle box. See, now I'm going to put them right here, all the pieces. Right? Now, what is the first number? Number 1. So I'm going to use the glue and then just go from top to bottom and then put it on here. 1. What comes after 1? Is it 6 or 2? You are right. After 1 comes number 2. So I'm going to take this and put a glue, and now I'm putting, look, this is number 1 and I'm going to put number 2 next to number 1 so I can put my puzzle together. See, 1, 2. What comes after 2? Number 3. So I'm going to use my glue stick again, and then 3 goes, does the 3 go here? If we do turn it around, then we'll not be able to fix our puzzle. So we have to make sure that we put the numbers together. Okay. 3. What comes after 3? Number 4. Where does the 4 go? It goes next to number 3. And then look at our earth is coming together. So we need 5 and 6 and we'll be all done. Next come after 4 comes number 5. And then comes number 6. And our puzzle is done. Yay, look. So we know the sequence of the numbers, we know we can recognize our numbers, we can put them in order, and that helps us to put the puzzle together. And you can print any picture. Look, what picture is this? It's a recycle sign. So you can again draw lines, write the numbers and put it together. I have another picture from 1 to 10 of a spring flowers. Look. I have put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So you can cut and put this together. Now, if you want to make it a little harder, instead of straight line, you can make a grid like this. And here I've written from 1 to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In this, you even have to remember that we go from left to right. Just like the calendar you have been tracing for the month of April. 1, 2, 3 and then 4, 5, 6 left to right. And you can put the puzzle together. So I want you to print picture of anything. Like you can print a picture of superheroes or your family picture. Draw the lines, write your numbers and put your puzzle together. Have fun with it and post me. Send me pictures of your work. So I'm so excited to see all that work. Okay, so I'm going to see you next time. Bye.